Hey Amanda and Amy, I hope this video finds you both doing well. Wanted to go over our thoughts on how to communicate this digital transition or digital transformation that we've really been going on over the past year, and I'm sure you've been on the path much longer. And this is a very crude presentation. This is not at all what the end presentation will look like. I wanted to get the idea communicated across before I had Evan design it and get your thoughts on it. So with that said, we kind of go straight into sales and marketing before COVID. So most business development activities took place at conferences, networking events, face-to-face opportunities. CTG personnel meets people in the field who use the website to primarily validate CTG as a company and to seek out more information. And CTG has already been making moves to improve its digital presence and its digital transformation over the last year, beginning with the new website, which launched in December of 2019. A light SEO engagement, and we're gearing up to start some online advertising campaigns. This slide is where most of the communications come in. And so, I've got a, sales and marketing post-COVID. So traditional demand gen lead generation has changed. So we must also change. And what I've got here on the right is the buying cycle. It's really holds true for just about any business. So for CTG, we've got, awareness, interest, evaluation, purchase, and engagement. And so, from there, we've got the CTG website, which was built at the end of 2019. And then we look at how are we addressing the sales funnel? Well, we're doing a few things. First of all, we've got search engine marketing. We've got paid ads up here, and I've mocked up an ad for Office 365 solutions for CTG. That these are paid and these are organic listings below. And that, first of all, we're addressing the organic listings through the SEO engagement that we currently have for 2020. And that we are, doing the online advertising, which will allow us to, people are actively searching every day for the services and solutions that CTG offers. So paid and organic offer us a way to get CTG in front of them, make them aware that CTG exists and can provide those services. Beyond there, we get into the, this is a little messed up. I'll clean this up. So thought leadership shouldn't have came in. But then we have, as part of the online advertising, we also have ad retargeting, which takes people who have shown interest on the site, maybe didn't convert at that time, got busy, whatever the case may be, using remarketing to keep CTG in front of them, to keep them moving down the pipeline there. And then we have our thought leadership, which is with Influence & Co. So I'll clean that up a bit. Influence & Co., what they'll be doing is getting, thought leadership pieces published around the web, which are in and of itself is going to drive traffic to the site, but will also do a lot to increase our organic rankings. And so I have these three arrows to communicate that this is going to add a real boost to our organic. And finally, that we're tying it all together with, analytics are tied together with Google Analytics and Acton. And we've got, you can't see it because of this, but Google's logo and Acton's logo here. So that's kind of how I'm communicating the system. I hope that's what you're looking for. Beyond there, talking about the short-term benefits. We can drive immediate traffic and conversions from search engine marketing, online advertising, PPC is also what's referred to as. Increased organic rankings for increased awareness, traffic, and conversions, although it does take time. And then learning, there's a lot that we're going to be able to learn and glean by driving prospects who are interested in a service that CTG offers, whether it's help desk or Office 365, and see what they're interested in on the CTG site and what CTG needs to offer in order to be able to convert them to a customer. So there really is a lot of learning, no matter the client, no matter the situation. We always want to learn what prospects like, so that we can convert more of them. And then long-term benefits is, really creating a new channel for driving business, creating a dependable and predictable lead generation program that can scale as needed. So, once we've identified our lead acquisition costs and how many of those leads actually convert into customers, we can dial it up at any point as needed. And then, as organic rankings take hold, we'll see significantly reduced customer or lead acquisition costs. Organic search is, study after study has shown that it drives the lowest customer acquisition costs. It is earned media, so it does take time. But the net of all of this is that we're going to have greater awareness and brand recognition. The thought leadership pieces will help position CTG as the leader that it is. In publications that matter, whether they're business journals, whether they're national sites like Forbes and the like, having those pieces around the different services and offerings will really help position CTG and the people within, which will help with, again, increasing our organic search. It'll help, people who see that article will click through, check out who CTG is, consider using CTG for whatever the article is about. And so it's, it all plays together. And hopefully the previous slide communicated that. And then we have our program extension considerations. So to date, we have an SEO enabled, highly UX designed website. We have a SEO Lite program. We have our next gen PR thought leadership partner in Influence & Co. And then we have, expansion items to consider in 2020-21. It is going beyond the light SEO and also going global, as well as expanding our online advertising to global. So I think this is just about everything. Let me know if this is what you're looking for, and we're going to get to work designing. Thank you.